There's more. Good. Lay on your back. You're very strong here, though. You have good muscular development, and it's very symmetrical. But this, right here, this is what you said, right?
Yep.
Good. Good posture adjustment there. Up here?
Up further.
Up here?
Yeah.
When I push into here, it hurts up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Close. Good. Open. Close. Open. Strings, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to slide up to the bottom of your glute fold, and it's slightly lower on the right side, meaning the right side has possibly gone posterior like that. Now, looking from the top, they look pretty even. I don't really see here, straighten out here. I don't see any difference from the top, so there's no rotations there. Good, let your head relax. Good, no rib humping here, but like just this musculature is on the heel strike. Mid stance and toe off looks symmetrical. Good. Good. There is just a little bit of wobble towards the left. I don't see a difference in the shoulder height, and the arm swing looks even as well. All right, because we definitely have some pronation on the left with a decreased arch there. I'm gonna push hard. Good. Sinking in.
That was crazy.
Dude. Sinking in. See how it is a little tighter there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, same thing. Deep breath in and out. Shoulders relaxed, sinking. Good. Wait, and just let it out softly. Shoulders. Ah! It needs it. I'm gonna bend your feet. Don't help me, okay? Deep breath in. Good. Lean back. Breathe out. Good. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. All the way down. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down. As you breathe out, I'm going to stretch your shoulders in this direction. I'm going to bring your hips down. That was all on your lumbar spine. So let's do that again. Deep breath in. Good. There's more. Good. Lay on your back. Okay. I'll switch your just a little bit here. That's good. Lay on your back. It's too easy. You're doing great. See, it's not that weird to get adjusted, right?
Mm.
No big deal.
What the?
Good. It's right there. It's gonna happen.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Just with 2 fingers each, here's your belly button, here's your ASIS. We connect these 2 points. We start looking from there for the ileocecal valve. Here's yours right here. Is that tender?
Yeah. Sorry, that tickles.
I'll relax your neck, relax. Don't close your jaw. There you go. Good, that's better. Okay, so. All right, let's try this. Open all the way. Okay, good. And then now close. Feel that.
Okay.
You can close your eyes.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the?
Breathe.
What the? Okay. Like, can I get up now?
Yeah, if you want to. Or you can just lay there for a minute.
Whoa! Did you see that? I wasn't the only one that heard that, right?
I'm not sure. What?
I felt like
Oh,
my
yeah.
whole, the entirety of my back just cracked at once. That's wild. That was sick.
Good range there, Sarah. That's good. Let that relax. Let it relax now. Good.
I'm chilling. I feel good.